Are you struggling to create a course or you don't have enough equipment to build a course? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to teach you a amazing method to create amazing course easily and quickly without any equipment like camera or even without an investment. So grab your coffee and let's do this. Before that, if you want to learn various side hustle like this, then I recommend you to check out the playlist in the above cards. We are using ChatGPT to generate script or even build a course. So I give a prompt like, can you make a course about digital marketing in 2025? Put your topic in the place of digital marketing. After that, ChatGPT will give the model and the whole content for your topic. After that, give a second prompt like, can you make a script of model 1? As you read the prompt, we are asking ChatGPT to give a script for the model that also generated by ChatGPT. Now give a prompt to write a script for all module, like put module 2 in place of module 1. After that, put module 3 in place of module 2. Likewise, do this until you get all scripts for your modules. Now we got the course content from that prompt 1 and script for the course from prompt 2. If you have good mic and camera, you can shoot and make a course. But those who have not mic and camera, copy the script and go to Speechma and paste the script. Select AI voice and generate AI audio. And then pick a bundle of free copyrighted stock videos that are related to your script. So make a video with this AI audio and stock videos. You can use Pixabay and Pixels to download various stock videos. Make a video for all modules like this method. But I have to tell you this, that for selecting the topic, choose the topic that you are interested and learn the deep concept for your topic as much as possible. Because after you list the course, the viewers ask various questions about the topic in the comments. So in that time, you have to ready to answer properly. After you made an course with that method, then release the course in the platform like Udemy, Coursera or other platforms that you like. At the starting stage, try to set a price of the course as low as possible because most of the people like lower prices. After published your course in the platforms or website, promote it on Instagram, Pinterest and other social media platforms because it attracts more to see your course. If you do consistently, then people will buy your course as quickly as possible. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to Tech D for more side hustle. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram for more updates. Comment if this method is worked for you. See you in an amazing video. Have a nice day.